Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to introduce a vanishing loop magic trick. All you need is a cat's cradle string loop. If you don't have one, you can make it yourself. The tutorial link is in the description box below. Let's get started. First, spread out the cat's cradle string loop. Hook one end of the loop onto your left pinky finger and the other one onto your right pinky finger. Make sure the two strings in between are parallel. Take the string around your left pinky finger and move it behind your left thumb. Repeat this step on the right side. Take the string around your right pinky finger and move it behind your right thumb. Using your right pointer finger, pick up the double horizontal strings on your left palm. To do this, grab the strings from the top, pull them slightly forward, twist them, and then pull to the side. Repeat on the right side. This time, use both your left thumb and pointer finger to pick up the strings. Pull them slightly, twist them, and hook them onto your left pointer finger. Then pull to the side. With the back of your right thumb, pick up the double strings in front of your right pointer finger. Then use the back of your left thumb to pick up the double strings in front of your left pointer finger. Bring your right thumb under the horizontal double strings in front of it, and move it forward without letting go of the strings above your right thumb. Repeat this step with your left thumb. Keep the top double strings and go under the horizontal strings, bringing your thumb to the front. Now let go of the left pointer finger and the right thumb strings slowly. And this completes the setup for this magic trick. From here, the magic begins. What you need to do is release the left thumb and the right pointer strings. But you will do this when you clap your hands like this. I think doing it quickly is better, but if you can't, that's okay. After releasing the left thumb and right pointer strings, the figure will look like ribbons as shown here. Then finally, pull the strings to both sides. This is the vanishing loop magic trick. Let's try it again. Hook each end of the string to your pinky fingers. Move the left strings to the back of the left thumb, and the right strings to the back of the right thumb. With the right pointer finger, pick the double horizontal strings on the left hand from above. Twist them and pull them to the side. With the left pointer finger and thumb, pick the double horizontal strings on the right hand. Twist them and pull them to the side. With the right thumb, pick the double strings in front of the right pointer finger. With the left thumb, pick the double strings in front of the left pointer finger. Now one at a time, bring the right and left thumbs in front of the double horizontal strings. Let go of the left pointer finger strings and the right thumb strings. And the setup for this magic trick is complete. To show the magic trick to your audience, let go of the left thumb strings and the right pointer strings while you clap your hands. Show the 2 loops, then pull them to the side. I hope you enjoyed this video and try this magic trick with your friends and family. Thank you for watching!